welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey girl, welcome to the gang. And if you're returning, hey girl, it's been a minute and it's good to see you. Today I'll be installing this 5x5 HD lace wig from SVTHAIR. This is really just a reinstall, but I really wanted to try like the Zig Zag parting because I thought it was like super cute. The baby hairs have been baby hairing and coming out right lately, but soon I'm gonna do a wig install. When I get me like a real dope wig, I'm gonna do me a wig install with no baby hairs because I've tried that look before. It looks really cute, but I just want a fresh wig for it. So if you guys are interested in seeing this install, I'm not gonna keep you any longer. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Follow me on my social medias. Everything I'm gonna use will be listed down below. Let's get into this slay, baby. This is a dope, yeah, let's get into it. I'm talking.
Your boy got the full body do-rag out.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing tussie slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck a night, I keep the koala in my shorty bag. You know she one of mine when she tattooed that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. This that roll myself a day and count my figure shit. This that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you nodding off, then it's gon' be some shit. Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. We don't stutter till I die. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. We don't stutter till I die. Fuck it, I just run it up before I go. Would you tell the world my secrets if I let you close? Feel my face, sending action. These days no kumaye, niggas be blasting. Living in the middle, this shit might drive you mad. Ain't it pretty mixed up, but this life shit ain't all bad. Bloody, bloody murder, there ain't no second chances. Just do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. And I'm stunner till I die. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. And I'm stunner till I die.
your ass an apartment, put you inside a G-Class. That's just a starter kit. Plenty things count in life, but none of them is the thought of it. New piece around my neck, this chess games. Cause shorty stay with calculated moves like Beth Harmon. Swear I'm more Purple Rain Prince than Prince Charming. Disappointment I stay expecting it. The pessimist, gold medalists, flush the magnums just so they not collecting my specimens. Damn. Yeah. Work. To me, I be work. You see me do me dirt. So me by that work. When you walk a line. In the cafe, drive me a dessert. Nothing to be lurking. Yeah. You make a like, now you not like it. You know I dealt with you the nicest. Nobody touched me in the righteous. Nobody text me in a crisis. I believe that all of your dreams are duration. You took my heart, all my keys, and my patience. You took my heart, I must leave a decoration. You mistaken my love, I brought for you for foundation. All that I wanted from you was to give me something that I never had, something that you never seen, something that you never been. But I wake up and nothing's wrong. Just get ready for work. To me, I be work. You see me do me dirt. So me by that work. When you walk out, before the table turn. Beg you something, please. Baby, don't you leave. Don't leave me stuck here in the streets. If I get another chance to, I will never neglect you. I mean, who am I to hold your past against you? I just hope that it gets to you. I hope that you see this through. I hope that you see this true. What can I say? Please recognize I'm trying, baby. I feel work. It's me, I feel work.
Y'all hear the fan, but y'all know it gets hot when you're filming. So I had to turn it on, but all I did was I took I made some loose curls. Yes, they kind of fell, but I kind of like my curls like this because they just add like a little bit of what is it called? A little bit of shape. I don't like them tight. I do just fall down there. I do like them a little bit tighter than this, but the curls ain't even the focus, babe. We're focusing on this whole little shebang pile going on right here. So yeah, everything about this looking real cute. This is my first time doing a zigzag. So yeah, y'all know I gotta complete the look. I gotta go beat my face. So we're gonna do a little spin. And I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna be a beat. We gonna have a beat on. We're gonna beat on. So what I just dropped. Hold on. Put you right here. And hopefully the background music I'm gonna use, y'all don't really hear what's going on over there. But gotta keep that fan on. I have to. If I don't, this unit will slide off. So like I said, we're gonna spin. I'll be back and I'm gonna be looking like that one. I mean, I already look like that one, but you know what I'm trying to say. So I did my little makeup. If y'all want to see this beat, y'all gonna have to hop in the link. Well, not the link. I'm gonna link it in this video. It's just like my little updated beat. But yeah, y'all, that's the hair. The hair is hairing. The lace is melted. I'm loving it here. I know y'all love it here. I've been trying to drop like more fire content and reach out to companies and really get myself out there and stuff like that. You already know I'm gonna have a fan on, so don't even start with your girl. Let's not do it. It gets hot in here because it gets real in here. Okay? So yeah, that is the finished look. Little zigzag part. This is SVT hair. This is me reinstalling one of my old wigs. It's not old. I got this like not too long ago. Oh, they sent it to me not too long ago. But yeah, y'all go see y'all should go watch the video for this install as well of when I first got this wig. But yes, I love the little zigzag parting, lace edges. Like, we're having a good day. We're having a good day. So if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment for me. Subscribe. I just want to say thank you for everybody that's been subscribing to me. If you're new and returning, I appreciate it. Yeah, but if you want to see this little wig. I'm glad y'all watched so y'all can see this little wig. Yeah, and I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. Have a blessed day.